Hi everyone, I'm Paige from the Replicated Docs team. Like Grant mentioned in the intro, we've made a bunch of updates to the Replicated Docs site, lockstep with all of the updates to our product and feature set. And so I just wanted to give you a really quick overview of those changes, with the goal being just to help you more easily navigate the site and make sure that you can find what you need. So starting out, we added this landing page to the site, and the idea here is just a more visual, non-linear way to quickly find docs related to key features or key tasks that you might be wanting to complete. So that's the landing page. Moving over to the main sidebar, this sort of left-hand panel, we added main section areas to help split up the content a little bit more, make it easier to parse. At the top is a new Getting Started section. This includes some new content, including a replicated quick start topic, which has a workflow that you can follow to quickly create a release for a Helm chart-based application and install that release. It also includes a full checklist of a bunch of replicated features that we think you should integrate into your releases as you're iterating. Also in this section are links to the labs that we offer on the Instruct platform. So this is great just to play around with features without having to worry about spinning up a VM or a cluster or anything like that. Distribute and support. So this is probably like the main section of the docs. It includes everything that you need to know about working with our vendor platform. So teams and accounts, channel and release management, working with customers, telemetry, that sort of thing. It also includes procedural documentation about how to integrate replicated features into your applications, maybe pre-flights and support bundles, or integrating the compatibility matrix into your CI/CD workflow, that sort of thing. Working our way down, we have an install section, which is pretty self-explanatory. Docs on how to install the product or install your application. This is useful as you're iterating. Obviously, you're going to be testing out that installation experience. Finally, developer tools, so SDK, replicated CLI, vendor API, open source docs that take you over to curl and troubleshoot sites, and finally our policies here. The last thing that I wanted to highlight is the COTS and curl specific documentation. If I click into this link, it'll take me over to its own sidebar, split really similarly between how to distribute your application with COTS. So what do I need to do to package my application to support installation with replicated COTS? And then also from the enterprise customer perspective, how do I work with the COTS admin console, the COTS CLI to install and manage applications? And I go back to the replicated docs home main sidebar here. Last thing I wanted to call out is always looking to improve, and a big part of that is your feedback. So every single topic in the site includes these buttons at the bottom to propose changes or provide feedback. Propose changes opens a PR directly against the topic. So if you see something like a typo or whatever that you want to just change directly or suggest something, go ahead. Provide feedback opens an issue in the docs repo, and both of those go directly to me. So please send me your feedback. Thank you.